Most important thing for us is to choose the solvents that are less, has less impact by the environmental point of view. So this is something you must start to do at the very beginning, when you start to think the process. So when you start in research and development to decide how your extraction and purification process will be. Not only to recover the solvent, so to use the less solvent we can in the process.
So you can see here other column where the solvent is purified, and then the rest, the waste, is collected in this area divided by origin of solvent, and then the waste that cannot be reused is burned.
What we have in front is the depuration system for waste, water and material. All what is coming out from the percolator, from the extraction plants we have seen previously, is coming here, all the waste. This pond is highly oxygenated. You see the bubbles coming up. And through a double biological step, bacteria are digesting, let's say, all the bad chemical substances. And the water, after this process, is getting out. In Italy, we have a limit giving you the idea of the cleanliness of the water or the level of pollutant still inside. This national limit is 500. Our waters are getting out at 40, 60. So we are far below the national limit. And that means that this plant is working very well. This cogeneration plant starts with methane gas that we purchase from the national network. Okay? And with this gas we can produce electric power, hot water and steam. So in one run we have three energy sources, okay, that are then used in the plant for different purposes. Okay? Thanks to this system, we have been able to reduce our needs from the national electric network, let's say, from 17 gigawatt per hour down to 4 gigawatt. 4 gigawatt per hour. So it's quite a big jump, let's say. With this system, we have been able to reduce our needs of primary energy, I mean what we purchase from the nation, from the state. And they have calculated that per year, this means 1,300 metric tons of equivalent oil consumption. So less than before the cogenerator was in place. So which is a good number for a company like ours, let's say.